Imagine a beast roaring down the road, a symphony of power and elegance. That's the Lamborghini Urus for you. This is not just a car, it's a moniker of luxury, a testament to high performance, and a paradigm of Italian craftsmanship. It's a vehicle that commands attention, respect, and admiration all at once. The Lamborghini Urus, a marvel of engineering, is a distinct breed in the realm of automotive design. It's classified as a supersport utility vehicle, SSUV. A category that Lamborghini pioneered. This classification is a nod to the Urus's unique blend of performance and versatility, luxury and function. But what makes the Urus stand out in the Lamborghini family? It's the perfect fusion of the raw power of a sports car and the functionality of an SUV. Underneath its sculpted bonnet, the Urus houses a 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine. This heart of the beast propels it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 3.6 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, an SUV that can match the acceleration of most sports cars. The Urus's design is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to innovation. It manages to maintain the unmistakable Lamborghini DNA while carving out a unique identity for itself. Its aerodynamic silhouette, aggressive lines and bold stance all hint at the power lurking within. This car is a product of Lamborghini's home, Santa Agata, Bolognese, Italy. Each Urus is lovingly handcrafted, a testament to the meticulous attention to detail and the relentless pursuit of perfection that Lamborghini is known for. The latest model of the Urus continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in an SSUV. It's a vehicle that refuses to compromise, a vehicle that continues to redefine expectations, a vehicle that embodies the vision of the man who started it all, Ferruccio Lamborghini. The Lamborghini Urus is not just a car, it's a statement of power, luxury, and unbridled performance. It's a symbol of what happens when you dare to dream, dare to innovate, and dare to challenge the status quo. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the essence of Lamborghini. And now let's delve into the heart of this beast, its engine. At the core of the Lamborghini Urus is a powerhouse of an engine. A 4-litre V8 twin-turbo, this beast of an engine is the driving force behind the Urus's exceptional performance. It's the engine's roar that gives the Urus its beast-like presence on the road. A sound that can send shivers down the spine of any car enthusiast. This engine isn't just about the sound, though. It's about power. With an impressive 641 horsepower, this engine is a force to be reckoned with. The torque, too, is something to behold. The Urus's engine generates a torque that is enough to pull even the heaviest of loads with ease. But what does all this power translate to? Speed. And not just any speed, we're talking about the kind of speed that makes your heart race, the kind of speed that blurs the world around you. The Urus's acceleration is mind-boggling. From a standstill, it can reach 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.2 seconds. That's faster than you can say Lamborghini Urus. And it doesn't stop there. The top speed of the Urus is a staggering 190 miles per hour. At that speed, the Urus isn't just a car, it's a bullet on wheels. This engine, this heart of the beast, is what sets the Urus apart. It's what turns a drive into an experience, a journey into an adventure. It's the engine that gives life to the beast, that breathes fire into the Lamborghini Urus. This beast of an engine is the result of years of innovation, of pushing boundaries and breaking the rules. It's the result of a relentless pursuit of perfection, a testament to the genius of its creators. With such an engine, the Lamborghini Urus is not just fast, it's lightning fast. And now let's talk about the design that makes this beast a beauty. To begin with, let's focus on the wheels. The Lamborghini Urus features 21-inch alloy wheels as standard, but for those who crave a bit more, 23-inch options are available. These wheels, while providing excellent traction, also add to the vehicle's aggressive aesthetic. They're not just for show, they are a pivotal part of the beast's beauty. Moving on to the aerodynamics, the Urus exhibits a mastery of the wind. Every curve, every edge, and each crease in the bodywork is meticulously designed to optimize airflow. The roofline slopes down towards the back, mimicking the profile of a coupe, while the rear diffuser manages the airflow at the back. This isn't just a car, It's a sculpture, shaped by the hands of the wind. But what truly makes a Lamborghini, it's the distinctive design elements that set it apart. The Urus carries the DNA of its siblings, with the unmistakable Y-shaped headlights and the hexagonal elements found throughout the car. The front grille, large and assertive, commands attention, while the rear, with its high-mounted taillights and quad exhaust, leaves an indelible impression. However, it's not just about the aesthetics. The design of the Urus is also about functionality. The large air intakes at the front cool the powerful engine, while the rear diffuser and the spoiler manage the downforce, keeping the car firmly planted on the road at high speeds. The design is a harmonious blend of form and function, creating a vehicle that is as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. And let's not forget about the interior. The cabin of the Urus is a luxurious space filled with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. It's a place where comfort meets performance, a place where you can truly enjoy the power and precision of this magnificent machine. This car is a perfect blend of form and function, a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to design excellence. Every beast has its birthplace, and for the Urus, it's Italy. Nestled in the picturesque town of Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, lies the birthplace of this magnificent creature. It's here that the engineers and designers at Lamborghini breathe life into the Urus, meticulously assembling each piece with precision and dedication. The manufacturing process is a symphony of art and technology. From the initial design sketches to the final polish, each step is carried out with an unwavering commitment to perfection. To ensure the highest level of quality, the process is painstakingly slow, with each Urus taking roughly 150 hours to complete. The Urus is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to innovation. Each new model brings with it a wealth of updates and enhancements. The latest Urus, for instance, boasts a 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine. This beast can rev up to a staggering 6,800 RPM, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in the world. This model also features an 8-speed automatic transmission, which allows for smooth and effortless gear changes. The Urus is capable of rocketing from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a breathtaking 3.6 seconds. It's this unparalleled performance that sets the Urus apart from its competitors. But it's not just about speed and power. The Urus is a symphony of aesthetics and functionality. The design is both aggressive and elegant, with sharp lines and curves that scream speed, yet exude grace. The latest models also feature state-of-the-art technology, such as the Lamborghini infotainment system, providing an immersive and intuitive driving experience. To top it all off, the Urus is available in a wide range of colours, from the classic Rosso Mars to the vibrant Giallo Ogre, allowing owners to customise their beast to reflect their individual personality. The Lamborghini Urus, born in Italy, is a global sensation thanks to its unrivaled performance and aesthetics. This is a car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops hearts. It's a testament to Italian craftsmanship and a symbol of unbridled power and luxury. Behind every great car, there's a great creator. For Lamborghini, it's Ferruccio Lamborghini. This man was not just a savvy businessman, but a visionary, a maverick who dared to dream and who dared to make those dreams reality. Born to grape farmers in Italy, Ferruccio's passion was not for the vineyards, but for mechanics. His fascination with engines and machinery led him to start his own tractor company, but it was his love for fast cars that would eventually give birth to the legendary Lamborghini brand. Ferruccio Lamborghini believed that a car was more than just a means of transportation. For him, it was a piece of art, an expression of the driver's personality, a symbol of luxury, power, and freedom. He wanted to create a car that was not just fast, but also elegant, comfortable, and unique. A car that would make heads turn, hearts race, and spirits soar. And so, in the heart of Italy, he established Automobili Lamborghini. His vision was clear: to create super sports cars that were a perfect blend of beauty and performance. Cars that were not just designed to be driven, but to be admired. Cars that were not just machines, but masterpieces. This vision is evident in the Lamborghini Urus, a supersport utility vehicle that marries the power of a sports car with the versatility of an SUV. The Urus is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to Ferruccio's vision, his passion, his dream. With its 4.0L V8 twin-turbo engine, it's a beast on the road. But with its sleek lines, distinctive design elements and luxurious interiors, it's also a beauty to behold. Ferruccio Lamborghini once said, "I want to build cars that are faster than all the others, and I want to build them better." And with the Urus, it's clear that his vision still resonates with the brand today. Ferruccio Lamborghini's vision lives on in the Urus, a car that is as much a piece of art as it is a machine.